Hey, it's Edge here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with the Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios a price may take and explain why I prefer one counter or another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on a higher time frame, on 4 hour at the moment. Let's go through this one first. As I've explained before, this is not my main count just because of this weird structure or 5-way structure here into the A wave here. That is the only reason why this is not my main. Everything else looks pretty good as it is, even this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, whether it's done here or this is a wave 4 here and then coming down for one more low. The second, my primary currently is this one, in which we have an ABC, WXY and now again WXY coming down here. According to this one, we would have completed a 5-way sequence here into an A wave. Now we would be looking for some kind of 3-way structure into B and then again C wave. On these higher time frames, we already got a divergence, a bearish continuation divergence between these highs here, as you see on RSI, and the price. Price is making a lower high and RSI is making a higher high, again creating a divergence in price and RSI. Now let's jump into this structure here, as this is my main. So again, this is one scenario in which the A wave has not completed. This fits also the other idea in which we would have created a 3-way structure here, looking for wave 4 and then 5. In this one we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What I don't like about this is still this length of wave 4. I don't see this completed as of yet. We'll look into this structure in here in just a moment though. The main one that I have here is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, in which we have already completed wave A here. At the moment we would be looking for retracement of this move for the wave B. Generally I would like us to get to around the 23.3k area. At that point again we would retrace the first move up around the 38.2%. So that is basically the minimum I would want to see. Of course this is not the minimum exactly, but is something that generally happens. So yeah, that has to be kept in mind. This WXY overall, again, not by normal Elliott Wave rules or the original Elliott Wave book, in which we would need to have a simple correction within a complex correction. But again, this fits better as is for the moment. If we would have to say that we have 5 waves in here, we would have to say this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this would be 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, not getting the right looks on that, and that's the reason why I'm keeping this WXY alive in this instead. Now let's jump into the B wave or possible B wave here. So let's get rid of the previous counts here. So again, starting with the bullish count, in which we have this as a wave 1 or an A wave. Again, why is it doing this? I don't know. Okay. So 5 waves, then again A, B and C. Multiple ways to label this structure here in 5 ways. This is just one of them. You can even just have this as 1, 2. There was a possibility of this having a 5-way impulse in here as well without having any issue. So you can do that as well. In any case, ABC, and then we would be looking for higher prices. At this moment, again, if we are looking this bullishly or within the start is 5 waves as a 1 or an A wave, we would be looking this as a 1, 2, and now we'd be looking again 3 or the C wave higher. Now at this moment we are struggling here already, so it looks to me that this indeed could be something like this, where we have this as a 5-way move, another 5-way move here, then getting this as a 3-way move here, something like this, and let's move that right here, and then we would be getting another 5-way move down here. Now this would apply as long as we don't get this B wave beyond the start of this A wave here, and we still can have this as an ABC zigzag. We don't really want it to retrace 85.4, but again, the exact invalidation is right at these highs of this wave 1 up here around the 20.9k area. Yeah, this looks pretty okay still. I still kind of prefer the bearish count overall, but this works as well. So on the bearish count we have as a WXY, changing the color somehow again, don't know why. ABC here in the middle into an X wave. We did not get to the 90% area of retracement, so I'm treating this more likely as a WXY overall. So in wave Y here we would have ABC, in which again this first leg is so impulsive, we probably have to say that is most likely an A wave of something, of a zigzag. Now if it does go beyond the start of this A wave around the 18.6k, we have to be saying that again this is some kind of three-way structure in here, very impulsive. Inside here we would have a zigzag most likely. At that point again, we would be looking for that last leg here for the C wave to complete the wave Y. But within B wave, I don't think we have done that yet. In here, I think we have the same exact scenario I presented on the bullish case, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 into an A wave, 3-wave structure here into the B, and then now we would be looking for some kind of a structure coming down. Most likely it is going to be taking out these lows over here, as mentioned yesterday, around 18.85k, and well, we'll see if it takes out the lows here. If it does, then we would have to be changing up a bit of the counts here, at least on the bullish side. This can come down all the way down here, well, not over there. 17.1k is the max we can see the B wave to go to. After that, again, this is invalidated, this idea of this being an A, B, and C. But before that, we still can have this as a ABC inside here, and then looking for that higher wave for C wave to complete the wave Y at last. Whether it's going to be a wave 4 or the wave B, we'll see. Again, higher time frame target was this 38.2 retracement of this original A wave here around the 23.3k. We'll see how far it extends if we are having these current pivots as we are having at the moment. Definitely is reachable. At that point, however, let's see how much we would have to actually retrace. Let's say 1-to-1 extension for the C wave here of the A wave, and this would be, yeah, it would have to extend very long here for the C wave. Not sure if that is going to be it. It could be the case that this indeed would fit better as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in which we would look this structure as with the bullish eyes of having this as an A, B, and a C wave here. Then we would, again, 1-to-1 extension would be something that we are very interested on. Again, the 38.2 is really close to it. We'll see where it takes us. Let's actually check out the volume profile, what it's showing us. Yeah, volume profile, we're still within this higher volume node. I would have liked us to take out this current B wave or the current highs, so we can get a nice looking divergence in here. Currently, if we are taking the peaks, we do not have the divergence. If we are taking the closes even on 1 hour, we don't have the divergence. So that's why I was looking at this, and we already did have a sell signal here. But again, I'm not taking it without a divergence in play. I am still long on my Bitcoin. Longs, I think I took it around these areas around 19.2k-ish. I'm most likely moving my stop loss around to the 19.7k area, just below these lows. there is some kind of support here, so it is still possible that we are going to be doing something like this and taking out one last high, and then coming down again. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I wanted to cover on Bitcoin at the moment. Let me know if you have other accounts you would like to share. Link to my Discord server in the description below. Also let me know if you want me to analyze another asset. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.